In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable 2FA on GitHub. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll share a few quick tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by heading to github.com and sign in if you aren't already. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the top right corner for your profile avatar. Click that to open the account menu, then choose Settings. In the left sidebar of the Settings page, find and click Password and Authentication. This section is where GitHub manages sign-in and security features. Next, locate two-factor authentication and click it. When you're ready, select Enable two-factor authentication to begin the setup. GitHub will guide you through an introduction. The recommended method is using an authentication app because it works even when you're offline and is generally more secure than text messages. Click Scan the QR code. Open your preferred Authenticator app on your phone, add a new account, and scan the QR code shown on GitHub. If your camera can't read the code, look for the option on the page to view or copy the setup key and enter it manually in your app. After the app generates a 6-digit code, type that code back into GitHub to confirm. This links your account to your Authenticator. If you prefer a different method, GitHub also provides an alternative 2FA option. Choose that, then select SMS Authentication. Click Select, then click Setup SMS Authentication. GitHub will prompt you to verify your account and complete a quick puzzle to prove you're a real person. Go ahead and click Verify Account, then follow the on-screen puzzle instructions. After that, GitHub will send a one-time code by text message. Enter the code to finish the SMS setup. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your Authenticator app or your SMS-capable device accessible. You'll need a code each time you sign in or perform sensitive actions. If GitHub shows any backup or recovery information during setup, review it carefully and follow the prompts so you're not locked out later. Also, remember that Authenticator apps are typically the most reliable method, but it's okay to start with SMS if that's what you have handy. That's it. Your GitHub account now has two-factor protection. The next time you log in, enter your username and password as usual, and then provide the verification code from your chosen method. This small change makes a big difference in keeping your code and your project secure.